Siguro iba for me because I'm more of a single mom. And present naman si Marcos sa buhay ni June. Pero most of the time, June spends his time with me talaga. Like, I would say 90% of the, 80 to 90% of the time is with me. So, I think the challenge would be in moments that require it, I have to be both the mom and the dad. In teaching moments, the emotional hardships that Jude goes through as he grows up. Kailangan ko balansehin yung sarili ko and talagang isipin kung paano ko siya i-meet doon. And at the same time, ma-meet ko yung emotional needs, all his needs basically, as a parent, as both parents, although present naman siya, pero ayun nga, there are times na kailangan kong maging both. Kailangan ko maging strong kahit pagod na pagod ako, kahit syempre nagtatrabaho rin tayo, so there are a lot of moments where really I'm just so drained and I want to give up and oh wow, but ayun, being strong na amidst all of that, and syempre ang number one goal ko is hindi ko mapasa sa kanya lahat ng bigat, lahat ng whatever trauma I have growing up, wala akong mapasa sa kanya na ganun. Kumbaga, it ends with me. So yun yung for me, yun yung challenge and goal ko.
Thank you. What about Mommy Elise?
I actually feel for everything that Janella said, kasi nga being a single parent. You have to find the balance in being the disciplinarian and then also being a good, friend to your kid. I think dun yung main struggle is to know which to be on like different situations. Kasi nga, they're growing up. So, kailangan din, hindi naman pwedeng puro gentle parenting lang. I really believe na kailangan pa rin merong like discipline. So, yun yung challenge, I think, with us. And yeah, hindi madali dahil nga working mom then as well. So, like Daddy Vlad said, it's really so helpful to ask for help with the people around you. So malaking tulong yung support system that's there for you. And it's not bad to ask for help kasi mahirap naman akuin lahat ng responsibilities, especially when you're a parent. It's not bad to ask for help. In fact, it's also healthy for you kasi yung mental health mo as a parent, it has to be actually everything, physical, mental, and spiritual health mo as a parent. You really have to keep it healthy kasi ikaw yung pagkukuhanan ng energy ng anak mo, sa'yo manggagaling lahat. So, yun, it's laban lang. Kasi mahirap maging parent, but take all the help you need from the people around.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay, next up we have questions from Nika Savio from Push ABS-CBN. I'll ask on her behalf. For Janella and Elise, you both established yourselves as prominent actresses of your generation. How does this show offer a glimpse into your lives as mothers beyond the spotlight? Mommy Janella? So, since you both established yourselves as prominent actresses of your generation, how does this show offer a glimpse into your lives as mothers beyond the spotlight?
Oh. Actually, I'm really thankful na naging part kami nitong show na to. It's also a really big blessing to both of us, me and June. I think it showed everyone, it will show, kasi hindi ko pa nagsishow. Pero, yung more of ano kasi, more of the kids talaga yung nag-ano dito. Sila yung nag-shine talaga dito. So I guess it showed more of yung strength nila. It's okay. And ayan, yung mga moments na ganyan nga na it will show more of how Jude and I are at home. Since ako kasi hindi talaga ako masyadong ma-post. And I like to keep, as much as I can, I'd like to keep things private, lalo na for Jude, who isn't officially in showbiz, but, you know. So what I like about being a part of this show is that they gave us the opportunity to show everybody kung paano kami, yung dynamics namin, how it gave me a platform to be able to speak about how I would like to raise him, how I would like him to grow up, and just show everybody how amazing my son is, how smart he is, how much energy he has, ayan. And all of them actually, it showed everyone yung kung gaano actually ka resilient ang mga bata, like with challenges like this, when they're faced with challenges like this na it requires them to be kind of think like grown-ups. Ang galing kasi talagang nakikita mo na bibong-bibo talaga sila. Kinakaya nila. So, super proud talaga. Yeah.
Mommy Elise.
Grabe!
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Spidey!
Nakakaano, no? Nakakalito yung press con kasi yung mga kids, they have their own thing going on. So, nawawala sa focus yung word.
Hindi ko ng ice cream.
Oo nga. Kailangan ng konting, ano tawag doon? Paandal. Okay. So, the question was, sorry.
I will gladly read the questions again and again for you guys. Now, since you are an established actress already, how does this show kind of give a glimpse of how you are behind the scenes?
So, like what we saw earlier in the ano tawag, teaser, puro talaga, it's the kids enjoying the challenges and working to succeed on the challenges. But, I guess dito makikita kung paano namin sila nire-raise. Kasi hindi naman yung nakikita on TV or on social media. So here you'll see how each of the kids are being raised at home. And nakakatuwa kasi iba-iba sila ng personalities, iba-iba sila ng ugali, and you'll see how each kid really bring out a special and different flair to the challenges and to the show. So makikita natin dito kung paano din sila at home, paano namin sila inaalagaan at pinapalaki at home. It's a little glimpse of how we do it at home. And nakakatuwa kasi kami din mismo as parents, well, you wanna say hi? Kami din as parents, when we're watching them from behind the scenes, nagugulat din kami seeing how they are na hindi kami kasama. So kumbaga they're on their own there. It's like little grown-ups on their own doing grown-up things actually. So we're just really happy to be able to experience that through, this Lactum Bibo Limits challenges. Nakakatuwa kasi for sure kayo din matutuwa sa panonood, and you'll pick up a few things of how our families are.
Thank you. We have some other questions from Push ABS-CBN. For all